In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video with audio in Google Meet. Google Meet is a fantastic tool for virtual meetings, classes, or even casual hangouts, and sharing your screen with audio can enhance the experience significantly, especially if you're presenting a video or a certain audio clip. So let's dive into the process to ensure you can streamline your virtual gatherings effectively. First, you need to start a Google Meet session. You can create one easily by going to the Google Meet website and clicking on New Meeting. Once you're in the meeting, the first thing you need to do is locate the option to share your screen. It's usually found at the bottom of the screen, represented by an icon that looks like a box with an arrow pointing upward. Click on this icon to initiate the screen sharing feature in Google Meet. Next, on your screen, you'll see a pop-up with a few options like your entire screen, a window, and a Chrome tab. Among these, select a Chrome tab. This is crucial as it allows you to choose from any tab you have open in your Chrome browser, which is necessary since we plan to share both the visual content and the audio. When this selection is made, another window will appear, showing all the Chrome tabs you currently have open. Go through this list and click on the specific tab that contains the audio you're interested in sharing. As this audio will accompany your shared screen, make sure you choose the right tab. After selecting your desired tab, don't forget to enable the checkbox that says, Also Share Tab Audio. This step is often overlooked, but is essential if you want to ensure that participants in your meeting can hear the audio from the tab you are sharing. Without it, they will see the visuals but miss out on the accompanying sound, which might disrupt the purpose of sharing the tab initially. Finally, press the Share button. This action will broadcast the Chrome tab you've selected to everyone in your meeting. To complete this process smoothly, once you're sharing, switch back to your tab and play the video or audio content. This ensures that both the video and sound are transmitted to other participants seamlessly. And that's it. Now you're well equipped to share videos with audio in a Google Meet session. Whether you're presenting to colleagues, teaching a class, or just showing something cool to your friends, your video and audio will be transmitted clearly, making your meeting more engaging and interactive. Remember to double-check the audio sharing option each time, so you don't find yourself wondering why the sound isn't coming through. Happy sharing!